Okay, today we're going to draw a bumblebee. Very, very simple to do. We're just going to start out with the basic shapes, as we always do, using our pencil. Very light. There we go. Just a very light semicircle, almost shaped like a potato, I think. Anyway, after we do that, we're going to put in the eyes. They're going to be super big. Couple of circles right there. Very easy to do. We're going to put in another circle here. That's going to be a wing. Do another one over here, just kind of coming out on that side. There you've got your wings there. We're going to do just some very easy little feet here, which are just going to dangle off. There we go. And of course, we're going to have a little stinger in the back. There's a little stinger right there. And hey, he's got to be a happy bee, so we're going to give him a nice big smile. And there you have it. There's the very basic roughed-in version. Oh, I forgot. We can just do that when we do the inking. Okay, we're going to start off with our marker now and just fill this guy in. Let's get that smile going. There we go. We're going to give him a little bit of a lower lip, even though bees don't have lips. This is a cartoon. You can do whatever you want. Great thing about cartoons, you're the boss. There we go. Okay, we got those eyes in. Let's get this body going here. We're going to go around here. And we're going to go to where this wing is at. And we'll just sort of flatten that out. Throw a little detail into the wing there. We're going to come around from this side and finish the circle going this way. There we go. Let's finish the stinger off. Put a little shadow in there just to detail that. Do the same thing just with these little tiny little legs. Let's give him a little, even though they don't really have teeth, we're just going to give our guy some teeth, so he's got a little personality here. Finish off this other wing on the other side. And he's got to have some antennas. And these are just going to be straight lines with a little ball at the end. Circle that in. There's another one coming out like that. And of course he's a bee, so he's got to have some stripes. So we're just going to throw in a couple stripes going around him here. Just fill that one in a little bit there. There's one there. Color these in real quick. Finish inside the mouth here. And there you have it. You got yourself a finished bee. All you got to do is erase the pencil lines and you're all done. And that's it for today. So have a great day, and we will see you again. Bye-bye.